Hi, I'm Bhavana Nambiar. I work for Valorem Reply as a senior consultant.
Hi, I'm John Anderson, also work for Valorem Reply, and I'm an integration architect.
So today we are here to talk about what are the new trends that we are seeing in the integration space, and as Valorem Reply, what our offerings and solutions are for the challenges that the customers are facing in the integration space.
Well, Bhavana, it's a classic scenario. Typically, clients have these existing integration estates that they've been running for many years, supporting their business processes. But unfortunately, the people who build these systems leave, and quite often there's no documentation left behind, or the documentation that is there is often not kept up to date.
So yeah, that's kind of a real business critical issue, right? Because the system are important and someone needs to know and own it. But at the moment, I think what's happening is the business understands the functionality of it and the technical team understands the code behind it, but somehow no one knows the whole thing. And that can actually be a big challenge if migration is thrown into the mix, right?
Absolutely. And on top of this, these platforms quite often come with expensive licensing that punish the client for growth. Basically, they don't support scalability in a cost-efficient manner.
So what I'm hearing is that the customers are pretty much stuck. It's expensive to stay and it feels too risky to move, which then means that if you also throw the migration to the mix, they're quite nervous about moving from that platform. So it seems like AI has a solution to everything these days. So how is AI helping us in this particular scenario, John?
Well, AI can certainly help. And the way we've been using it at Valorem Reply is we've developed what we termed an agentic software delivery cycle, and where our agents look into the client's existing integration estate, analyzes the patterns that have been employed, reverse engineers the logic, and surfaces the domain knowledge that may not have been captured. However, it's important to call out that humans are kept in the loop throughout this process, whether that be the domain knowledge experts or the integration engineers. Their input of validating the outputs from AI are critical.
Wow, I mean, that just immediately changes the risk profile of the program, right? So now the customers are going in a little bit more informed and not really blind. And what we can also see is that the team is growing along. They are learning, they are able to take more account of that platform which they are, and now they're more informed. It is not that it's just stuck within a few specialists, right? So I think that's a great use of AI.
That's so right, and it's important to call out that we're not replacing the client's team. We're actually upskilling them, and upskilling them faster than in a traditional delivery method. We use GitHub Copilot to sit alongside the teams, and it accelerates the build and delivery of the solutions, and importantly validates that it's being delivered against Azure standards and best practice.
So what clients get at the end is a cloud native integration platform, and also a team who are well equipped to look after it after we've left from there, isn't it?
So that's the shift that we're driving within Valorem Reply, moving from opaque, expensive and brittle systems to modern, cost-efficient and scalable, and also, most importantly, owned by the client.
If that story sounds familiar to you, that's the conversation we would like to have. Please come and talk to us at Valorem Reply. We might be able to help you with a low-risk, structured way of migration. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.